Are you searching for ways to improve your folder growers' productivity and speed up your packing process? If you said yes, then you're probably on the market for packing systems. After having your first meeting with Impack and deciding on the best machine for your company, you may receive a request that you need to increase your folder growers' outfeed height. Now you're asking yourselves, why do I need to raise my folder growers' outfeed? Well, this affects my folder growers' performance. And do I absolutely need to raise my folder growers' outfeed? Hi, I'm David Leblanc, mechanical designer team leader here at Impack. In the last 5 years, I've led the design and installation of hundreds of packaging equipment on folder growers. And our team gets asked this question in almost every project we start. This video will explain to you why you need to increase the height of your folder growers' outfeed, whether it affects your folder growers' performance or warranty, and how to do it. Why you need to increase your folder growers' outfeed height. If you're considering the Ergoza packer, there are 2 reasons why you'd have to increase the height: ergonomics and case specifications. After many years of testing, we found the ideal height to maximize ergonomics for the Ergoza. It's around 870 millimeters. Then, to ensure that your Ergoza is as ergonomic as possible, we have to increase the height of your folder growers' outfeed to match the Ergoza. But can the working height of the Ergoza be changed? Good question. The answer is yes, but it is strongly not recommended. Why? This leads us to the second reason: case specifications. The Ergoza is highly modular and versatile and offers multiple packing modes. But we cannot guarantee that it will run with the same performance and speed if we do change its height. Even if we can change the height of your Ergoza, we don't recommend it as it will affect your performance, packing speed, and level of flexibility. If you're considering the purchase of Impack's virtual packer or a virtual stacker, then there is one reason why you have to increase the height of your folder growers' outfeed, and the reason is to meet case specifications. With the Ergoza, you have to increase the height for ergonomics and to meet case specifications. In contrast, when you're considering the virtual packer or a virtual stacker, ergonomics are irrelevant because the machines are automatic and fully automatic. This means that there is no human actively working on the machines, and hence, ergonomics is irrelevant. The main reason why you have to increase the height of your folder growers' outfeed with a virtual packer or a virtual stacker is to meet case specifications. Given that both virtual and a virtual have many specifications, lowering their input height will reduce their performance. But can the input height of the virtual or a virtual be changed? The answer is no. It can be changed, as it is fixed in the design of the machines. Will increasing my folder growers' outfeed height damage my boxes? Is a question we get all the time. But the answer is simple: it won't. Increasing the height of your folder growers' outfeed will not damage your boxes and won't affect your folder growers' compression build or performance. In fact, it won't change a thing. We have tested this over 200 times, and there has been no negative feedback from our clients. In addition, we have never heard from any clients whose warranty was void because of a defect of their folder growers' compression build. Now you're probably wondering, how do I increase my folder growers' outfeed height? There are 2 ways to do this. First, using the screw at the base of your folder growers' legs if they are adjustable. Second, by adding shims to raise the legs of your folder growers' outfeed. However, with some models, it may be impossible for you to adjust the screw because they don't have adjustable legs. In those cases, we can just add shims to raise the folder growers' outfeed as shown in this image. Problem solved. At Impack, we provide standard shims that fit most folder growers on the market. As we have seen, you need to increase the height of your folder growers' outfeed no matter which machine you choose. With the Ergoza packer, you can change the ideal height, but it is not recommended. With the virtual packer or a virtual stacker, you cannot change the ideal height as it is fixed. Increasing the height of your folder growers Outfeed will not damage your boxes. If you already purchased one of Impack's 3 main machines and you're waiting for the commissioning, you can also check out this article about the most common problems we have during installation. I hope this video helped you understand why you need to increase your folder growers Outfeed height and how it is such an easy process. Thank you for watching and see you on the next video.